Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dear student, welcome to Finance and Banking class. I am Nasir Farooq, lecturer at Greenfield School and College. Today, I would like to take a class on chapter 5. The name of the chapter Capital Budget. It is most important chapter for the student of class 9 and class 10. It is basically theoretical and mathematical based chapter and most important chapters. So today I would like to describe the theoretical problems on this chapter. Basically, I would like to describe the definition of capital budget, uh, the importance of capital budget. So, dear student, I hope all of your attention these lectures so that you can easily understand the all of the important topics from these chapters, and if you attention this class you can easily answer all of the questions from this chapter. uh, a creative questions which include both mathematicals and theoreticals. 3 marks questions is given the theoretical problems and 7 marks mathematical problems. So I hope you can, if you attention this class you can easily answer uh, 3 marks questions from this chapter. So dear student, at first I remember you the necessities of capital budget here. Success and existence of any business organizations depend on the long-term investment decisions. So dear student, at first you have to know that what is capital budget. Capital basically, we know that there are two kinds of market. One kind is money market, the another kind is capital market. Capital market is called the long term investment markets. Such likes of markets where here the long term securities buy and sell in this markets is called capital market, and money market is short term financial markets where the short term financial securities such likes of treasury bill, letter of credits and any others securities buy and sell. So at first, the success and existence of any business organizations depend on the long term investment decisions. To run the business, most of the time and entrepreneur has to take difference in investment decisions regarding fixed assets thus like parcels of land, building and furniture equipment aids. So dear student, this is most important topics. Please attention this. At first we have to know what is long term or fixed asset. Fixed asset just likes of land, because it is also long term investment, because when we purchase some land, it also stable its long terms just like so above 5 years. The furnitures and any other equipment just likes of machines, it contain at least above 5 years. That's why it's called fixed asset or long term investment asset. And replacement of those fixed asset, modernizings of a production process, development of new product, whether those long term decisions will be profitable or not for the companies. It require following different method and principles for the proper evaluations of different alternative investment decisions. Uh, Throughout these chapters, we will be able to know about different financial methods, principles, those are used and evaluations process for taking long term investment decisions. So, dear student, to purchase long term or fixed asset, to replacement in any fixed asset and modernizations in any of production process, then we need the capital budget. Without capital budget we cannot analyze the net profit, we can analyze the total expense. The when the profit is greater than its expense, then we take or then we purchase the fixed assets. uh, Whenever we take the proper evaluations and proper decisions by applying the capital budget, so capital budget is most important. So dear student, now I would like to describe the definitions or the concept of capital budget. At first I read the textbook, then I explain the necessities topics, necessities line. uh, Please attention this. Three friends, Rohim, Korim and Shankar, run their individual business. Rohim has been thinking to purchase a fridge for his grocery shop for last few days. 6 months back, Korim started his tailoring business with a sewing machine. Uh, Gauging the increasing demand, he thought to purchase a new machine. On the other side, to start a salon, Shankar is thinking to purchase some essential furniture and their cutting machine. Here, freeze purchase for grocery shop, sewing machine purchase for tailoring shop, and uh, wheelchair, hair cutting machine purchase for salon are all long term investment decisions. Because student, furniture, hair cutting machine, it also contain above 5 years, that's why it's called long term investment decisions. Whether those long term investment decisions will be profitable or not require an evaluation process of finance. Capital budget is such kind of evaluations process. In this respect, income and expenditures of every investment decisions or project have to be estimated. This is most important, dear student. You know that uh, when the when the income is greater than the expense, then its project is profitable and its project is essentials. For these reasons, uh, in this respect, income and expenditures or every investment decisions or project have to be estimated. After completing the estimation, net cash flow or net profit of this investment decisions or project is being measured. Here, income means earn money from selling, because we know that whenever we sell the some product, then we make earn or we make profit. So earn money from selling, and expenditures means raw materials expense, selling expense, and depreciation expense and others expense. So if income is deduct from the expenditures the remaining of the total profit. So this is most important line, dear student. If tax is deducted from the total profit, the remaining is the net profit. Again, if depreciation is added with this net profit, then we will get cash inflow. So dear student, this is the important line. Please careful this. When we sell some product, then we deduct the total expense, then we get the total profit. When you deduct the tax from the total profit, then we get the earning after tax. When you added depreciations with the earning after tax, then we'll get the net cash flow. So this is most important. If inflows, comparing this inflow with the outflow. Inflow, I mean the when the profit or when the money provided, or when the money is come, and outflow is when the money go out, or when we invest in any projects, then the money go. So for these reasons, the comparing this inflow with the outflow or initial investment of inflow appears higher than outflow, then this investment decisions considered as a profitable and can be acceptable. Suppose like so, when the total inflow, suppose when we earn 1000 taka, but the total outflow is 500 taka, then the profit is 500 taka. So this is when we make this profit, then we consider this is profitable investment decisions. So it can be said that capital budget is a process related with long term investment decisions. These decisions process start from the purchase of fixed asset and include the modernizations, replacement of this asset, fixed asset, business expansions, new product development are also within the scope of these decisions. So, dear student, we can easily say that capital budget, the definition of capital budget is the process of long term investment or a long time investment is called capital budget. Capital, I mean capital meaning is long term investment decisions. So dear student, you can easily say that capital budget is the process of long term investment is called capital budget. So dear student, now I would like to describe the application of capital budget. Applications, there are different aspect to application of the capital budget. So capital budget is applied in all aspect of long term investment decisions. Capital budgeting typically involve the substantial expenditures. Thus, these decisions depend on planned financing. Now, we will discuss about some popular applications of capital budget decisions. First is the fixed asset purchase. To start a new business, every business firm has to purchase fixed assets like land, buildings, equipment, furniture. The all of this product, all of this asset is the fixed assets, and all of this product contain the long term investment decisions or long terms. For these reasons, at the time of the starting a business, a grocer has to take different purchase decisions like fees also a long term investment purchase, order to make some furnitures also long term investments, renovations expense its. Again, in such a way, an owner of the restaurant required to purchase chair, table, fridge, and as security money for holding the process of a room for a restaurant. In any type of business who is in course, fixed cost required to apply capital budgeting process before the purchases any fixed asset. In running business, sometimes fixed asset may become obsolete. That time replacement is required for fixed asset. Business people take these decisions by the applications of capital budgeting decisions. So, student, uh, fixed assets just like so purchase land, purchase furniture, purchase machine, and any others long term investment is called fixed assets. When a financial managers take decisions to purchase a machine, then he or she evaluations the the future risks and the total profit, the total expense. When is the total profit is greater than the total expense, then he make the financial decisions or the make to purchase the long term investment decisions. The another important topic is business expansions with the intentions to increase the production's capacity. In case of running institutions, production capacity may be required to increase after starting its business. By the installations of high capacity machine, this purpose can be fulfilled. So, decisions of purchasing a high capacity machine can be taken after proper evaluations by the applications of capital budgeting techniques. For example, thought in a tailoring shop there is a sewing machine, but considering the high demand in Eid festival, shop owner can take decisions to purchase a new machines. To take these decisions, owner calculate the cost of the purchasing new machines, and by this investment how much income will be increased in another most important measuring factors in purchase decisions. All those calculations can be done by the capital budget technique. So this is important topics. Whenever we replacement or whenever we take a new machine, then we also calculate the total profit and we also calculate the total expense. When is the cash inflow is the greater than the cash outflows, then we also take the decisions and we invest the long term investment decisions. Whenever we apply this process, we also applying this process by applying the capital budgeting. The third important topic is product diversifications. New product may be need to be marketed along with the existing product in the market to extend the business of the companies. For example, with the production of mango juice, some companies may take decisions to product apple juice. In case of marketing a new product, decisions maker at first has to collect information regarding the life of new productions, calculate cost of productions, market demand, administration's cost, and expected income. To find out all those applications of the capital budget decisions is used. So dear student, diversifications at first you have to know. Diversifications, I mean when the financial managers product in more product or more kinds of product than one kinds of product, it's called diversifications. The main purpose of diversifications is to reduce the risks and increase the income. Uh, Whenever financial managers to take the product diversifications, he or she also apply the capital budget. That uh, last and four importance elements of replace and modernizations. Replacement and modernizations of production process are needed as per the requirement of business. For example, if a salon owner think if he can afford to purchase some new or modern technology based machine to increase the efficiency in his hair cutting job, then he need to make a comparisons between the incremental cash outlay of these decisions and the incremental cash inflow by these decisions. If incremental cash inflow is higher than the incremental cash outlay, replacement decisions will be profitable. If another applications of capital budget, uh, this is importance. Replacement and modernization. Replacement, I mean when a machines will be cannot be afford to production the expectation rate or expectations time, then the owner of the machines thinking to replace these machines, and they also provided as some likes of machines which can be production as expectations. And when is the total incomes or total cash inflow is higher than the total outflow by applying this machine, then financial manager can purchase these machines and replace these machines. Whenever financial manager replace these machines, they also applying the capital budget. By applying capital budget, they can be realize the profitable or not profitable by replacing on these machines. So dear student, this is the most important topics. uh, and also capital budget applying the important sectors just likes of to purchase machines, to modernizations, to decrease the cost and increase the profit, to replacement in any machines, capital budget also applied. So I hope all of our understand these lectures. If you have any confusions, if you face any confusion, if you don't understand in any topics, you also mentions in inbox. I will try to solve your problems. So no more today. Thank you. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.